Hey guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. I can already tell you we can expect a breakdown or actually a massive pump within the next 24 hours. Guys, I will show you exactly what you need to keep an eye on to be prepared and to know what the next move is going to be. Besides that, guys, we will also take a look at my current trade. As you guys know, I'm still remaining in my short position. We took around $30,000 out of that trade, but we need to be prepared to actually now close it out completely or potentially double it up, triple it up, really scale it up quite aggressively, since we can expect a massive breakdown to come. We want to talk about also some very interesting on-chain data during the end of this video. And besides that, guys, as always, I would really appreciate it if you could now smash up a like here on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below. That's always really appreciated, and I will try to respond to comments, questions, and also give them a thumbs up and a small heart. But besides that, guys, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts, because you want to know what you need to expect next from the Bitcoin price. First of all, let me remove the indicators here right now, because as you guys know, these are the free indicators you can get access to just by being part of the Crypto.mo.io community. As you guys know, we have a massive Discord with a leaderboard, with Crypto.mo market updates and all kinds of interesting things that you can get completely for free by just joining the community and the Discord. As the trading view indicators that I just showed you, the only thing you have to do is visit Crypto.mo.io. The link is also at the very top of the video description. And guys, watch here the video how to join for free. Make sure to watch the video so you really understand on how to join and you make no mistake, because it's completely free to join. Right now you can join with BitGet and Phemex. Soon there will be other exchanges available as well. But guys, check it out. And now let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts, because we want to have enough time in this video to also talk about the on-chain data. Guys, what we can see on the daily time frame, nothing really has changed. Looking at the weekly time frame, guys, also nothing really has changed. We have not really seen anything interesting here. The weekly candle, the last one, it closed relatively neutral. We didn't really break below the low high point. We didn't close above here the old weekly closes. So it's pretty much a neutral candle. We don't really have any information, or we cannot draw a conclusion from the weekly time frame just looking at it right now. Our current weekly candle also still open for 5 days and 17 hours, so everything can happen. On the daily time frame, we can see that not that much is happening besides the price just consolidating a little bit like it did here before. So also nothing all too interesting. The last daily candles, as you guys can see, are really squeezing again. We don't really see any price development, and this is something that really becomes obvious on the 4-hourly time frame, because on the 4-hourly time frame we can first of all see that we are forming here a beautiful symmetrical triangle. Yes, a symmetrical triangle, definitely a more bearish than bullish chart pattern, and we would need to expect this chart pattern to break down. It would have a breakdown target of $19,000. As you guys know, the $19,000 level is nothing else than our most important daily support area. So if we reach that with the breakout or with the breakdown to the downside out of our symmetrical triangle, things will get very, very interesting, and I will actually scale up my short position in the scenario of a breakdown out of our symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame. If we see the price breaking below it, we see a retest and we break the old low point to the downside exactly at this point, I would scale up my short potentially if we see this scenario playing out, because I want to have a massive, at least $1 million short position open when we see the retest of the $19,000, because if that breaks, guys, prepare for some massive downside, and I want to have a big short position to accumulate some more Bitcoin at the bottom then in the $16,000 to $14,000 range. But if this doesn't happen, guys, we want to definitely close out our short position. So this is the reason why, we can pretty much lose almost all of these unrealized profits still. If the price now pumps, we see a breakout here to the upside. Guys, I'm exiting the short for now. I'm scaling up my long swing position a little bit. I will tell you exactly why that also in a second. But besides that, guys, we can see as always that volume was decreasing as always. Volume decreasing. Is that a good sign? Yes, it always tends to tell us that a breakout is right around the corner. Did we break to the downside? No, it only was very, very close to breaking out. The bulls and the bears started fighting, and now we can see again, guys, volume is actually increasing while volatility is decreasing. This means a massive fight around this price level, and who wins will be decided by the breakout out of the symmetrical triangle. It will not be decided by who breaks the $20,000 level, who closes the daily candle above the 20 or below the $20,000 level. This will not be relevant. It will be relevant who wins right now from this very low volatile phase with huge volume. So this really shows us, okay, bulls and bears are fighting. We need to expect a big move to come very soon. So that's why, guys, let's stay prepared. Let's keep an eye on the 20,300 and the $19,700 level, so we are prepared for the next price move. Besides that, guys, I want to take a look. One thing, as always, I've been talking about this since month. I think the bottom is almost in. Guys, the bottom, it already happened, or we are only 2-3 weeks away from hitting the bottom. Don't be worried, because we can see here last supply active for 1 year or longer. So what we can see here is the orange line shows us how many BTC have been inactive for 1 year or longer. And what we can see over the time of Bitcoin, for sure this is always increasing because coins get lost over time. But what we can really see here is that every time we see pretty much a rounding top happening, this is also when the market, and this is like over a year period, right? Keep that in mind. So just because we are topping out here doesn't mean that we cannot easily drop to $14,000, $16,000. But this means that we are seeing right now the top of the last supply being active for 1 year or longer. And in the history of Bitcoin, this always was the time where the bottom was already in. So guys, expect the bottom to be in already, or to see it within the next couple of weeks. Also, the monthly returns of Bitcoin, something very interesting, because in the history of Bitcoin, we can see that September has been a very bad month for Bitcoin. This month has not been great for Bitcoin, and it could get worse, as I already said. But we can see that looking at the end of the year for Bitcoin is the best time for Bitcoin in the history. Besides the 2018 bear market, guys, besides the 2018 bear market, Bitcoin always performed amazingly. We are right now in a bear market, but we need to keep in mind here that we have been in a bear market for a relatively long time now already, because as we saw on-chain data, we talked about this a while ago, we pretty much saw our bear market start at the first top of 2021, in the early time, or in May 2021. That was where our bear market started. This all was a fake rally that shouldn't even have happened in the second half of 2021. Sorry, 2021, in the beginning of 2021, May, where this was where the bear market really started. You can also see it here with the supply. This was all just the Elon Musk fake hype move. And what we can see now is that pretty much Bitcoin went down, and that's nothing unusual. But keep in mind that we are in a bear market for quite some time now already, so we can expect that this year might look something like 2019. We see a little bit more downside in September. We see a positive, strong pump in October because the bottom is in. We see another 2 months of steady sideways movement till the end of the year. No big pump. We are trading slowly above the $20,000 levels. We are climbing above the realized price at the $22,000 level slowly. And then with the beginning of next year, we are starting to see a massive nice move into the direction of the $40,000 level before we set our foot into the next bull market pretty much. But this is just pure speculation on the long term. The only thing that we can really keep an eye on is now the short term. We can take a look at that breakout and prepare our trades to then accumulate more capital for these big swings in the market. But now, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Make sure to make use of all of the free content that you can find here in our Discord community, and you can also chat with other users. You can share your charts, you can share your trades, and so on and so on. Guys, make sure to check it out, cryptomo.io. The link is at the very top of the description, and make sure to watch the how to join for free video. If you don't watch that, I can tell you, you will maybe not understand how to join. It is free, but you need to watch this video just because it is, it's not complicated, but you have to add some things here in the dashboard and stuff. Just watch the video so you understand when to join and how to get your rank for free, and the trading view indicator and all of this kind of stuff. But guys, thank you for the support. Smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. We are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.